Flexible, fast, powerful. Desktop 3D printers are allowing designers, engineers, and manufacturers to innovate faster than ever before. Don't wait for someone to make your parts when you can make what you need on demand. Quest Additive Manufacturing Specialist Brandon Brown breaks down the benefits to our Desktop Series printers.
The technology's advanced a lot, and you've seen a lot of kind of higher-end industrial 3D printing technology trickle down into the desktop machines. The Cindo 3DWalks 2X is great for just fast and inexpensive prototyping. It's really easy to use. It's just kind of plug and play. It's great for just kind of the first draft of your concepts. The Formlabs Form 3 is a very, very versatile system. You can print several different resins with several different mechanical properties to suit a wide variety of applications. It's really, really great at making very high detail, intricate parts. The Formlabs Form 3 is great for creative and artistic applications as well. The Markforged Mark II makes strong, precise, beautiful parts. You can not only make pretty high precision parts that look great and hold pretty great tolerances, you can make functional parts that in a lot of cases can replace their metal counterparts. You can make stuff that would typically have to be machined if this process didn't exist. So you can have them, at your engineer's desk. Really just overall speed up production workflows, whether that's design or manufacturing. And there's really never been a better time to invest in desktop 3D printing.
3 printers, 25 plus materials, endless applications. Each one of these printers would be an affordable solution, but we've bundled them together with our award-winning certified technical support for one low price. That's 3 printers with our support so you can hit the ground running with additive manufacturing. Don't spend more for the prints you want. Reach out to us so we can help you choose the right process for your needs.